Welcome back, geography enthusiasts. In today's video we're diving deep into the realm of absolutely useless geographical facts. Get ready to be amazed, amused and perhaps slightly bewildered. We've categorized our facts into 5 sections: geography, people, flags, money and random crap. Let's get started. Geography. Did you know that in 2011 South Sudan became the world's newest country after breaking away from Sudan? And here's the mind-boggling fact: the US state of Rhode Island is not an island. We're shattering stereotypes here. Russia, the largest country in the world, spans over 6.6 million square miles, or just under 17.1 square kilometers. And get this, it boasts a whopping 11 different time zones. South Africa has not 1, not 2, but 3 different capitals for different parts of its government: Pretoria, Cape Town, and Bloemfontein. Now let's talk about enclaves. Ever heard of Lesotho? No? Well, it's a country surrounded by another country, making it an enclave. And it's not alone. Vatican City and San Marino are also enclaves, fully enclosed within Italy. Fascinating, isn't it? Hold on to your seats because we're not done yet. Did you know that France shares its longest border not with Germany, Spain, Belgium or Switzerland, but actually with its South American overseas department, French Guiana? France seems to have a penchant for shattering itself all over the world. They have bits of France in various places, including Saint Pierre and Miquelon in North America, French Guiana in South America, Guadeloupe, Martinique and Saint Martin in the Caribbean. Moving on, did you know that Istanbul in Turkey is the only major city that straddles 2 different countries? The western part of the city is located in Europe while the eastern part lies in Asia. Talk about an international city. Finally, here's a mind-blowing fact: the Great Lakes system, shared by Canada and the US, holds a staggering 21% of the world's fresh water supply, nature's refreshing oasis. People. Let's shift our focus now to people. Did you know that Australia, with a population of over 26 million, is home to a staggering 42.8 million kangaroos? That's right, approximately 1.7 kangaroos for every person in Australia. Quite a unique population ratio. Ever wondered where you can find one of the most densely populated countries? Look no further than Monaco, with a population density of 18,235 people per square kilometre, or about 47,227 people per square mile. It takes the crown for being the world's most densely populated country. On the flip side, Mongolia holds the title of the least densely populated country in the world, with only 2 people per square kilometre, or about 6 people per square mile. Wide open spaces indeed. Flags. Flags play a significant role in representing nations and their identities. However, similarities between flags can sometimes lead to confusion. For example, the flag of Poland and Indonesia share a similar design of horizontal stripes, which can result in mix-ups. Did you know that the flag of Nepal is the only national flag in the world that is not rectangular? It's composed of 2 overlapping triangles representing the country's unique geography and its harmonious existence. Another interesting flag fact is Mozambique's national flag features an AK-47, a modern assault rifle symbolizing the country's struggle for independence. Talk about powerful symbolism. Now let's talk about Libya's unique flag. From 1977 to 2011, Libya's flag consisted of plain green field without any symbols or designs. This minimalist approach to flag is quite rare among nations. The flag of Bhutan is the only national flag in the world to feature a dragon. The dragon represents the country's name, which translates to Land of the Thunder Dragon. It's a symbol of power, strength, and the protection of the Bhutanese people. How cool is that? If you're interested in geometric peculiarities, Switzerland and Vatican City have flags that stand out. These 2 countries are the only ones in the world with perfectly square national flags, defying the typical rectangular flag shapes. Money. Money is the lifeblood of economies. Holds fascinating stories and facts. Did you know that in the US the dollar goes beyond the borders of the US? It's also the official currency of El Salvador and Ecuador, showcasing the global influence of this widely accepted currency. The Japanese yen is known for its beautiful banknotes. They showcase elements of Japanese culture like Mount Fuji and cherry blossoms alongside the faces of notable figures from the culture's history. Let's travel to Zimbabwe, a country that faced an unprecedented hyperinflation crisis. During that time, the Zimbabwean dollar experienced mind-boggling denominations, reaching as high as $100 trillion. Imagine the challenges of carrying stacks of trillion-dollar bills. Moving to Southeast Asia, the small nation of Brunei boasts a remarkably high GDP per capita. The wealth stems from its significant oil exports, making it a prime example of how a relatively small country can wield economic power through its natural resources. Random crap. Let's dive into some random yet fascinating geographical tidbits that will leave you astounded. Germany, known for its rich history, is home to over 20,000 castles. That means you can find approximately one castle every 15 miles or 25 kilometers throughout the country. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. On the topic of grandeur, the Narendra Modi Stadium in India holds the distinction of being the world's largest stadium. With a massive seating capacity of 132,000 spectators, it provides a magnificent stage for sporting events and other large-scale gatherings. Did you know that the Sahara Desert is not only massive, but also the largest hot desert in the world? It covers an area of about 9.2 million square kilometers, roughly the size of the entire US. Speaking of immense natural wonders, Mount Everest, the highest peak on Earth, towers at a staggering height of 8,000 meters above sea level. It's a breathtaking sight in the majestic Himalayas. And let's venture into the depths of the oceans. The Mariana Trench, located in western Pacific Ocean, is the deepest part of the world's oceans, plummeting to a depth of approximately 10,911 meters. It exceeds the height of Mount Everest, simply mind-boggling. If you're considering your next travel destination, France should be high on your list. It holds the crown as the most visited country in the world, attracting millions of tourists annually. Following closely behind are Spain and the US, China and Italy, all renowned for their rich cultural heritage and diverse attractions. The Amazon rainforest in South America is not only a treasure trove of biodiversity, but a crucial oxygen producer. It contributes approximately to 20% of the Earth's oxygen production, so let's protect this resource. Did you know that the surface area of Pluto, the dwarf planet, is smaller than the total land area of Russia? Russia's vast expanse covers around 17 million square kilometers, while Pluto measures about 16.6 million square kilometers. It's mind-blowing to think about the scale of our planet compared to celestial bodies. Here's a quick comparison for you. China, Russia and Pakistan have more nuclear weapons than Domino's pizza locations. Who would have thought? And there you have it, folks, a whirlwind tour of absolutely useless geographical facts that might just leave you scratching your head. Remember, geography is full of surprises, so keep exploring and discovering the wonders of our incredible planet. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share it with your fellow enthusiasts. Let's know in the comments which fact amazed you the most. Until next time, keep expanding your knowledge, and we'll see you again soon.